Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing in BI, and I wanted to take a look at Spectrum Finance. What is Spectrum Finance? Let's go ahead and check them out. We are building an open source cross-chain DEX live on Ergo, testnet on Cardano. Let's check out their webpage here. So the reason why we're looking at this is because it should look familiar to you. This is what TeddySwap is based on. This is Ergo Dex, or an Ergo Dex. It looks like stable, mostly stables here. A Neta BTC. So they got a lot of stuff on here. I feel like I should start looking at this more in more detail, like looking at if there's any like analytics available. TVL volume in the last 24 hours. So there's not a lot as far as TVL goes. Well, 1.38 million is a lot of money. The volume, the trading is about less than $10,000. Look at some liquidity here. TVL. So Ergo and SIG USD. So there's some volume. Yeah, I mean, it's small. It's small now. APR is 3.48%. That's not bad. The stable side on one of the sides are stable. So we'll just I wanted to read this thread that they have. So let's take a look at it. Let's go full screen there. What are the benefits of open source DEXs like Spectrum Finance, and how do they foster innovation, collaboration, and transparency in the DeFi space? DEXs are platforms that allow users to trade crypto assets without intermediaries such as banks or centralized exchanges. It offers many advantages over traditional platforms, such as lower fees, faster transactions, more privacy, and greater control over funds. So people, they're like, well, Ethereum is the grandfather of DeFi. Yes, but the big problem with Ethereum is their major issue, their overwhelming major issue, scalability. In a perfect world, Ethereum is it. But the reason why all these different chains exist, all these layer 2 solutions exist, is because Ethereum cannot scale. It's $10 a transaction right now. When the markets are up, oh my gosh, man. There were nights where the transactions were $50, $80 to do a swap. It's just unreasonable. So we're now starting to see a lot of decentralized exchanges that are coming into play that actually are usable for the little guy. So let's take a look. However, not all DEXs are created equal. Some DEXs are more open than others, meaning that they allow anyone to access their code, contribute to their development, audit their security, and verify their operations. These are called open source DEXs. Open source DEXs have several benefits over closed source ones. First, they foster innovation by enabling developers to build upon existing code and create new features and solutions for the DeFi space. Second, these DEXs promote collaboration by allowing users to provide feedback and suggestions, report bugs and issues, and join communities of like-minded people. Spectrum Finance has a vibrant community of users, developers, and supporters who share ideas and insights. Third, open source DEXs enhance transparency by allowing anyone to verify the integrity and performance of the platform. Users can check the code for any hidden fees or backdoors, monitor the liquidity and volume of the pools, and track the transactions on the ledger. Open source DEXs offer many benefits for DeFi users who value innovation, collaboration, and transparency. By sharing their code with the world, they empower users to trade crypto assets in a fast, low-cost, and trustless way across multiple chains. that's cool. So that's their kind of little spiel on open source dexes. A lot of people, you know, were saying things about TeddySwap like, oh, you're just copying this, you're just copying that. They actually encourage this. This is encouraged behavior, people. They're going to build on what Spectrum Finance has created. They're going to add features, more better fees for everyone, smoother transactions, open source, transaction batching with the badgers. So I'm looking forward to the launch of this DEX. Hopefully they can continue to be funded and spend their money well, and continue to build and launch on Cardano. It's going to be very exciting to see. And I'm going to keep an eye on Spectrum Finance to watch how they grow, because I've been kind of interested in Ergo. So I feel like this is a good opportunity for me to kind of segue into that and start maybe even utilizing it and seeing how I like it, seeing how fast, what to expect from TeddySwap when it is launched. So thank you. This is just a little quick video for mostly myself, and probably the Teddy community would probably be interested in this. But this is their thread on why they believe what the benefits of open source dexes are, because I saw a lot of chatter. I saw a lot of people just saying negative things about open source dexes and how it's just copying. That's just not the case. Again, Spectrum Finance, they believe in this. TeddySwap was born from Spectrum Finance. Of course, they're going to do, I believe they're programming their own yield farming. So I believe they at least they believe that they'll be able to do a better job creating their yield farming contracts from scratch. We'll see how that works out in the future, and time will tell. So thank you for checking out the video. Go ahead and hit the like, hit the share, subscribe, and let me know what you feel about Spectrum Finance, open source dexes, and Ergo. See you on the next one. Peace.